Hi and welcome to this tech video. Today we have something really interesting. We're actually printing in the glue side of a label. So we're printing in the sticky side of a label. And why is this? Well, you have double information. You might have a see-through bottle where you can see printing the back side. So there are many reasons why you want to print in the back side. Normally you do this with a flexo, so you need a plate and a tool. But right now, with the help of our friends from Domino, we have borrowed an inkjet system and we have mounted it into the machine in this R&D setup. So you can actually see here, we have an inkjet system mounted, and then we are opening up the web, removing the backliner, printing into the glue side, and then we are applying the liner again downstairs. Now, stay online, we're going to show you how this works step by step. And yes, it is really in the glue side.